What I want to share my FTMO 10K funding account, and yeah, I want to share the progress of it. This is like what I'm past like probably a month ago, and I'm right now waiting for my first payout. But long story short, you can see that I took a pretty good trade on gold tonight, and I managed it pretty well. Overall, I would say lose free trade and win free trade and lose one trade, right? And then initially I want to take a short here as well, but let's talk about the trade that I took, right? And I'm going to switch to here. You can see very easy when I uh came to chart somewhere around here and here. And then first, obviously, we're in the trading range, and then after I saw this tight bear channel. And also this is like, for me, this is like a breakout bar. This is like a follow through bar. And then it's also close on this low. So I think, okay, it makes sense to sell below there and tightening the measure move probably here, right? Somewhere around here. Then obviously it didn't happen. And then, I didn't manage my risk as well because like I think okay probably become a training range and I can easily add more position at the top of the range, right? Which I did, right? Okay, I can see wedge top there, one push down, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. This bar also close on the slow, solid bear reversal bar and I enter one position there, put my stop above here, right? Okay. Wait. And I also add another position when I saw this kind of like a nested wedge, right? You can see that one, two, three, or you can see one, two. Okay, it's really not a nested wedge, but you know what I'm saying? So it's also a double top, and we're at the top of the training range. So this makes sense, right? I sell below here and then I take profit somewhere around here. You can see right after I took profit, and then there's aggressive bull, boom, continue pushing up, and then I enter long here as I saw, okay, probably we break out and we probably will have a measure move up. But the problem is, I would say this is not a trend because we have range roughly around 60 bar. So this is not a trend. And for me, this is like a range. And then I initially took a buy there. Hopefully, we will have at least a measure move up, right? What's the probability that we move up like 100 pip higher compared to we move up 100 pip lower, right? This is my first initial idea. But when I look at it, uh, Al Brooks always say train range late in the bull trend, probably this will be a final leg, right? Then in this case it's really is a final leg, right? And also it did not go very far as well. And then I switched my bias as long as I saw okay, price bull want to break out. For the first time it failed, second time it failed, and when the bull tried to do something twice but it failed, it probably gonna reverse, right? And then I can see one more thing is I saw this gap being closed by this bar over there, and this is like a high double top, and then this is like a solid looking spare bar, and I just put my stop above there and tightening the low, right? This is what I do, and I think it makes sense, and it was a pretty good trade. I managed my trade pretty well, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. And then I'm also ongoing my funding account. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is my phase one funded pip account. I just lost my, I just lose my phase two 10K funded pip challenge account. You can see that match my risk pretty well. And I mean, it's a good trade. I'm going to sleep.